Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the DeepMotion platform. So I'll start to create a new account just for the purpose of the MetaPharmacy Hackathon. So sign up. So I'll put my details again, but this time I'll put Web3 Pharma, which is basically the one I've been using for the hackathon. Company Web3 Pharma. Basically, they're going to ask you a few information. You can tick whichever you want. I just put education, which is the hackathon. DeepMotion, I actually found out about them on web search. Tick the box. Click a goose. I think that's a goose. Was a duck or whatever. And then get started. Now they sent an email to Web3 Pharma, so let's check it out. Gmail login. Gmail. I think it's here. Gmail. Yep. As you can see, I got different user accounts. And boom, DeepMotion. And they actually tell you the username is your email address, of course. Activate it. They ask you to create a password. I just create a password. When you do create a password, it needs to have the requirement. And a secret answer. Favorite secret question. Pick one. What is the best hackathon in the world? Is the best hackathon organizer in the world? IPA-SF. And then once again, you will put in your email address. So it's Web3 Pharma. And then the password you choose. And you're now in, right? So from there on, you'll go to enter animate 3D. And those are premium feature, right? So just go for animate 3D for the hackathon. Get started. And it can give you some guideline. So make sure that it is you on the video. Try to have very tight clothing so you can find out more about your joint, and you can only do one person at a time. And it should be an object in front of you, of course, and not all black. So it needs to be ideally, for example, blue and gray, so it's easy to stand out, as you can see, right? And not too far away and not too close either. Then you add the video. So for me, I did a sepia video, so as you can see here. So you can only do 20 seconds, which is more than enough for me. So this is going to take some time. So once you've done analyzing, it's going to tell you whether you can do it. The problem I said to you is too long because you can only do up to 20 seconds. So I'm going to once it's done, I'm going to speed up the video. So as you can see, video length is too long. So I would say trim the length, and then you can see what's being recorded. So that's me starting. As you can see, still too long slightly, so trim even more. Maybe. Okay. So now it's perfect, right?
Can you call an ambulance for me, please?
Yeah, click next. Then you can pick how you want the character to look like. This one, you need to do one animation before you can unlock the other one. So let's choose default character for now. And then next. And then for now, you have different filter. So this is meant to enable facial tracking. But you don't need to do it for the hackathon, I would say. For the hand tracking motion, I would say yes. That'd be good. So this only track the upper body. I would say don't do that. Just do hand tracking, yeah. Face tracking potentially when you're looking around. Good, better, best. But yeah, just the hand tracking should be more than enough. Foot locking, as you can see, auto. I'll just leave it as it is. I'll leave it as it is, and this one, stronger joint limit. Okay, let's add that. Then once you're happy with all the setting, you can see the video output. And yeah, and then you're ready to go. So this is to create an animation file, right? But yeah, and you click create. It will tell you how many credits you can use. It can tell you if you're happy with all the setting. And once you're happy, you go start job. As you can see now, once the animation is complete, you see something like this, that you can do more animation with different character. I click awesome. And you can make sure to click down, click OK. As you can see, the animation could be better. But anyway, that's just an example, right? I'm not expecting it to be perfect. So now that you've registered into the platform, you get to that screen, remember create. You want to choose 3D animation, not 3D pose. That's different. As you can see, that's an image. Another thing I want to emphasize on, the one you want is GLB file. And you see it says GLB output file generated that uses custom and disabled that uses default character set. That's a default character set. So you want to go click on here. I want to pick a Ready Player Me avatar, right? And you see your thing here. Just as a reminder, to create a 3D module, go to create, no, actually library, no, home, maybe, yeah. View character, click on create, and then pick either Ready Play Me or realistic avatar. And once you've created the avatar, that's when you can go here and pick the one, because you want GLB file, right? So let's try. So pick a video. I think I can check. That's forward. That's sideways. Hey. Okay, let's go with that video. So I'm going to analyze it. And while it's doing that, you want to make sure to basic facial expression. Let's go with untracking for sure. And then physic field, trim the length. As you can see, tell you how many seconds you can do. I want to be able to do to that part. Yeah, actually, as you can see, you can go down. Ambulance. Okay, so I can reduce down. Ambulance. 1, 2, 3. Ambulance. 1, 2, 3. Just keep it at 19 seconds to make it easier. And check the video. Can you call the ambulance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, once you're happy with that, go to save and create. It's going to tell you what has been being done, and you go to start job. It's going to take some. Now that it's finished, as you can see, I can check out the animation. As you can see, it's not doing exactly what I want to, but I'm doing the rescue breath. There's still something without any mocap equipment, right? So I would say that's a bargain. Yeah. And then once you're happy with that, download GLB file. That's what you'll be using for 8XR, yeah? Download, as you can see, GLB. And then that's it. You're done. Created 50 different platform called Ozone Metaverse. But as you can see, it has a MetaPharmacy I created as a proof of concept. But I just don't want to focus on this. Can you recognize the avatar I created? Right, it does animation for CPR. And then it does a MetaPharmacy DAO, which you might remember, right? So if I click on it, there's a MetaPharmacy DAO from the video I did before. There's a meta prescription I did before, and of course everyone might remember this image, which I created as a, I think, Soulbound token. Yeah, or as NFT. So yeah. So in a nutshell, you can create an animation, save it as GLB file and put it in your scene.